With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here is that an adult human with average health has systolic and diastolic pressures as 120 mmHg and 80 mmHg, 50 mmHg and 80 mmHg, 80 mmHg and 80 mmHg, 70 mmHg and 120 mmHg. So here in the question they are asking that when we talk about an adult human with an average health, so it has the systolic and diastolic pressures as, right? So when we talk about this thing, the heart rate, right, or better say the blood pressure, so when we account for the blood pressure, so we count two pressures. So the two pressures, they are taken into consideration. First one is the systolic blood pressure, systolic one, and second one is the diastolic one. First one is the systolic and second one is the diastolic blood pressure, right? So when we consider an adult human, so the systolic blood pressure or basically the systolic blood pressure in the humans, that is basically the pressure when the heart contracts, when the heart muscles, basically heart contracts we can say, or the muscles of the heart, they contract. Heart is a muscular organ which is made up of muscles, the cardiac muscles, and when these cardiac muscles they contract, they produce the systolic blood pressure. And when these heart muscles they relax, when the heart rest or relax, when these heart muscles they rest or they relax, so they produce the diastolic blood pressure. When we talk about the normal ranges of both of them, the systolic blood pressure's normal range when it is measured on a mercury level, so it is 120 mm rise of the mercury level. So that is 120 mm of Hg. Hg is mercury. And when we talk about the diastolic pressure, that is near about 80 mm of Hg. Normally, when we talk about the normal value, of the blood pressure, so then we account for the systolic blood pressure on the numerator and the diastolic blood pressure on the denominator part. So that accounts for 120 by 80 mm Hg. This is the normal range of the blood pressure. So here the answer to the question is 120 mm Hg, 120 mm Hg and 80 mm Hg. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.